4 people have been killed and 14 others rescued in blizzards in Nepal's Himalayan region, police say. 2 Poles, an Israeli and a Nepalese national, are reported to be among those who have died in the severe snowfall. A senior official in Mustang district, 200 kilometers, 125 miles, northwest of Kathmandu, said 5 other Poles, 4 Israelis and 5 Germans were rescued. The bad weather has been caused by the tail end of Cyclone Hudhud and comes at the height of Nepal's tourist season. Hudhud hit southeast India earlier this week. Satellite pictures now show it moving away from Nepal towards China. BBC Nepalese John Parajuli reports from Kathmandu.